Hello guys, it's Bella and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a haul. I am so excited about this one because I have some very special items that I'm so excited to show you guys. I also have a few pairs of shoes that I'm obsessed with. I know you guys are going to love them. And I mean, you guys know that I love clothes, I love fashion, I love styling. So I'm going to be putting these pieces together, some of them in the try on part of the video, the lookbook part, to show you how I would pair them, give you guys some outfit ideas. So I'm very excited. Today's haul is a very special haul because I'm going to be showing you how you can get money back literally just by doing your regular online shopping. So something that you were gonna buy, if you just buy it online, you can get money back. Why not? And it's literally no extra effort at all. So this video is in collaboration with Shopback. So if you guys don't know what Shopback is, basically it is a website and an app. I use the app myself, and you do just like your regular online shopping, except you get cash back. So I have earned, this is like the app, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I've earned $143 just from the items that I've bought in today's video. They have literally over 800 stores. They have like Princess Polly, which I love Princess Polly, I know you guys do as well. Revolve, ASOS, the iconic Farfetch, Net-a-Porter, like brands that stock designer things. Like, hello. If you're gonna splurge and get yourself a bag, you may as well do it through Shopback, because if you go onto Net-a-Porter, and I checked this before I did this video because I wanted to make sure, but basically it's in my most visited. But if you go to Net-a-Porter, they do up to 10% cash back. So if you went on there and bought a $1,000 bag, you could get $100 back. So technically you'd only be paying $900 for the bag. And it's literally so easy to use. You just go on here and you can go into see more and then just search up whatever you want, or you can look through here at any of the brands that they have. Etsy's on here, and you just click on it and then it just takes you to their website, like literally their exact website. So it's just normal, like it's just like shopping through a normal website, except you just click onto the app first. And also for this video, they have given me a little code, which I'll put in the description box down below, so you guys can click on that link and you will get a $10 like sign up bonus to start your online shopping cashback endeavors. Also, another thing that I really wanted to mention, which I thought was really cool, is like booking a holiday is expensive, right? Well, they have this little section here, which is just like travel, and you can go booking.com, Virgin Australia, Expedia, hotels.com, Emirates, Qatar Airways, like hello, like, and I just want to mention that is just real money. Like you put that money into your bank account or into your PayPal. So it's like real money that you're getting back. Anyway. Okay, so the first item that I got are these boots. I bought these through Shopback on the Revolve website, and honestly, I'm so obsessed with them. They're gonna go with so many things. They're like a fake suede material, and the best part about them is they look exactly like these Chanel ones, except way cheaper, and they don't have the little Chanel mark. Like, hello. Not a hard decision to get those ones. I also got 4 other pairs of shoes. These ones I did not buy through Shopback. I have some clothes to show you guys in this video that aren't from Shopback, which I bought before I knew Shopback was a thing. So all of these shoes are from Tony B & Co, and I actually got all of them just because they're all pretty much going to go with everything. So I was just like, I'm going to get these and then I'm never going to need to buy another heel again. So the first pair I got is just this beige pair of heels. I got the shorter heel rather than the tall ones because I'm a pussy. And yeah, they're so cute. These are definitely like my ones that I think are absolute staples, these two. So I also got them in black. Then I got these ones that look a little bit like latex. They're so cute. They're a bit more strappy and they have a nice pointy toe. So elegant. And then I also got these super strappy heels, so like they're actually strappy. Okay, so that is all of the shoes that I've got to show you guys, and now I'm gonna move on to the clothes. So the first clothes I'm gonna show you, I'll show you all of the clothes I bought through Shopback first. So everything that I got until I say it's not from Shopback is from Shopback. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so the first items that I'm gonna show you guys are the items I was talking about at the start that are the special items that I'm so freaking excited about, and I'm so excited to show you. So these 3 items are from Farfetch. So the first item that I got is from Saint Laurent, and it just says Saint Laurent at the front. It's in like a paint type writing, plain white t-shirt, and oh my goodness, I've been eyeing this off for so long. I'm so excited. I just know this is gonna be my most worn piece in my closet. It's gonna go with absolutely everything. And so the next item that I got, I actually pictured with this top as like an outfit for something fancy, because you'll understand when I show you the pants. They're definitely not going to be everyone's cup of tea, but I love them. And look at this. He's a penis. So these pants are from the brand IRO Paris, and I don't know what it is about them. I have been obsessed with these for the longest time, and I think they're going to look amazing with the YSL top. I just need some sort of event to happen so I can wear them. So the next item that I'm going to show you guys is something that I have wanted for so long. I've bitten everyone's ear off talking about how much I love this. You guys know how much I love Panties, and if you don't, then you must be new here, because I wear Panties in pretty much every single video. Every single day I will wear a Panty. Every single Instagram story, like I'm always wearing Panties. I just love them. They're my go-to. They're cute, but they're comfortable. And this one, it's not just a regular Panty. This one is from Balenciaga, and yeah, I just am obsessed with this. I love everything about it. I think it is so cute, and I'm so happy, you guys. I love this. So the next item I also got from Revolve. This is my last item from Revolve, and it's just an IMG snake print skirt. I love this like zipping detail down the bottom. It also has zipping detail down the side, and snake print is so in right now. Like everyone and their mum is wearing snake print, and I had to jump on the trend because I love it. I love the trend. I really want some snake print boots. That's my next purchase. I love this, and it looks so cute with the YSL tee that I just showed you guys. Okay, let's move on to the things I got from the Iconic. I first got, let me take it off so I can show you guys better, these jeans from Camilla and Mark, and I just love these. I think jeans go with everything. Jeans are a staple. I love them, and these are such good quality. They're a little bit cropped, which is good for me because I have little legs, little short legs. I also got two more things from the Iconic, and these two things are like, you buy them separately but wear them as a set. Well, I'll wear them as a set, but I'll also wear them separately. Especially these pants. I love these pants. These are from the brand MNG, and they are like this beautiful like crepey material. They just look so classy, and they kind of have this, what is this, a tuck at the end, except it's like not a tuck, it comes out. I forget English a lot. So I've wanted like a whitish blazer set for a very long time, but I just hadn't found the perfect one, and now I have, and they go so nicely together, obviously because they're matching, and I love that the blazer is kind of long lined. Okay, so moving on, this is the last brand that I bought stuff from through ShopRack, and this is the brand that I bought the stuff from is ASOS. So like I said that way harder than I needed to. First item that I got is just a pair of black trousers. You guys know my fashion by now. I love things that will go with a lot of different things, and I think these trousers will go with a lot of different things. I didn't expect them to be so like puffy around here, which they are, so they kind of sit funny on me, but you know, I'm sure I'll figure it out. I also got this just plain black singlet. It is a Pull & Bear brand singlet, and that's all there is to it. It's a singlet. It'll go, you can wear these in so many different ways. Like you can tie them up, tuck them in, tuck them under your bra, make them into like a crop top. You can even tie it up at the back, which looks really cool. Well, it looks okay from the back, but it also looks really cool from the front. And I got this in a big size just because of the ways that I wanted to wear it and tying it up and tucking it in. And I really wanted to wear an outfit where I had leather pants and this tucked in. I also just got this plain grey sweatshirt, even though it is like summer here in Australia. I have so many outfits that I picture with this, and not only could you wear it with different outfits, but it's just a great like at home sweater to just wear around the house, wear to bed, all of that good stuff, multi-purpose. And last but not least, I actually got these pants specifically because I wanted to wear them with the Balenciaga like band tee type top that I got. And then I tried them on and I was like, holy shit, I love these. These are the greatest pants. They are the best fitting pants, and I love the look of them. I love everything about them. The length, just Okay, so that is everything that I purchased through Shopback. So all of these items that I'm about to show you now, I did not purchase through Shopback. And the first item I want to show you guys are these pants here. So these are so cool. These are from a brand called Nanushka. I bought them through Farfetch, which really kicking myself now. And I just like that they're kind of like wide-legged leather pants because they just look so cool. I've never seen anything like them before, and I feel like they're the kind of pant that I could get away with wearing in like a little bit of heat because they are wide legs, so obviously air will get up my legs. The next item I bought is from Jack & Jack, and it's just this plain denim look t-shirt. I really love this, and I actually picture wearing this as kind of like a double denim type thing with some nice jeans, kind of like the ones I showed you earlier from Camilla and Mark. I've always really wanted a top like this actually, and I was inspired to find a cheaper one after I saw the Balenciaga one and fell in love with it. The next 3 items I got are actually all the same except different colors, and they are all from, I don't know how to pronounce this brand's name, Basic, Psych, not sure, but yeah, I really love this kind of cut of singlet at the moment. If you guys couldn't tell from my last clothing haul, all of the singlets I've been buying are kind of like this cut, and they're nice and long, which I love, so they're perfect to tie up into a little knot. And of course I also had to buy them in black and white because I mean, you need a black and white singlet in your life, especially now that it's summer. I'm in desperate need of singlets. So this next pair is also from the same brand. These are definitely too large and in charge for me, but I actually kind of love the look of these being big and oversized, and they're just these plain trousers, not much to say, plain beige trousers, and they would look really good with that Saint Laurent shirt as well. Next item I got, this is from Zara, and it's just a plain hoodie. Once again, you can wear this just around the house, to bed, whatever the case may be, but also hoodies are a great way to accessorize, especially if you live somewhere cold. You can wear these kind of under a trench coat. I think it's a really, really cool look. Another thing that I think looks cool under these is if you have the trench coat and then kind of like a white button down blouse that just pokes down the bottom, looks so sick. So the last 2 items that I have are both from Sir the Label, and this one is so different for me, but I actually am obsessed with it. It's so cute. I think it's just really nice to have a little black dress. If, you know, an event comes up, I have nothing to wear, I can pop this on, or a date, or if I'm traveling and whatnot. And last but not least, I have this white jumpsuit, which I just really love. It's kind of a low cut, or you can make it low cut for sure, and it has a little belt which goes around the waist. This is very necessary because without it I look like a square. Kind of cinches in at the waist a little bit here, but I need that belt to really cinch in my waist because I got it a size big for me, because I think it's because I have a long torso. If I get jumpsuits in the right size for me, they just kind of come up a little bit. I get a terrible camel toe. That's what I'm trying to get at. I love the look of the belt anyway, but what I like is you can put your own belt with it and it'll look cool because it's just white. Like, you can't go wrong with any type of belt. So that is everything. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys loved this as much as I did. Make sure you check the description down below to check for the Shopback link so you guys can get started. It's literally so easy to sign up. You just put in your email, put in a password, and you're done. And if you use my link, you can get the $10 to start off your online shopping. And yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye!